Hey, Fangowieners. I question my life entirely all of the time. Haha. Anyway, today we're going to be doing a mermaid makeup tutorial. I have done this before, I filmed this before, but for some reason the first clip of the video just kept fucking freezing on the part where I go get something from my drawer, and it was so frustrating because I was really proud of it. But I think I have some better ideas now. It's gonna be a Halloween themed thing, so I have a few more supplies that could feasibly make it better. So we're gonna do this again. This is the third time I put makeup on my face tonight, so my face is screaming. I have done the same foundation routine over and over again. For our first part of concealer, we have the Pro Base Full Coverage Liquid Concealer by MUA in the colour 100. I don't know. And we have the Hiding Concealer Stick from MUA again, and it's fair. And then we have the Illuminating Touch Foundation from Collection in the colour Cool Ivory, which is the palest I had. So basic terms for this tutorial, you'll need your skin colour and you will need to choose a mermaid colour. Mine is bluey, pinky, purple. That's all I've got so far. But yeah, I'm gonna do this and then I'll be back and we can start doing the actual proper tutorial. We are now going to quickly set our face just so that this doesn't move. And I'm going to use the Pro Base Mattifying Fixing Mist from MUA. I'm just gonna let that do its thing. Whilst that's doing its thing, I'm just gonna brush through my eyebrows and move my beauty blender. I feel like to really figure out what colour scheme I want, I need to get this on my face. This is a mixed colour I made out of the Revolution Pro SFX palette. They didn't have a blue, which was really annoying. But I used the white and the purple to make that, and then I added some blue eyeshadow to it and just kind of mixed it together. I feel like I need to kind of set a rule with my face on like what I want, which is this colour, and then we can work around that and build the colour scheme on top of that. I'm going to use just some netting, you know, fine netting, because you want to do scales, because we're doing scales now. Actually, before I do that, I'm going to do normal contour just so I have a base for that. And then we will make our scales using this netting, the Pro stuff, and this sponge that I had from the zipper face thing. You can go watch that now. It's up. It's the first video I did for Fangowieners. Why have you not seen it yet? I'm joking. But yeah, for normal contour we're just going to use my face palette from H&M. Okay, I've kind of pinned this to my head after I did my contour, just so I can kind of get what I'm doing. I'm kind of doing scales around like this, across my forehead and around like that, and then down there. I'm just telling you in case this falls off and I turn off my camera because I'm embarrassed. I'll just do it and come back.
Many hours later.
This is what we got so far. I had to like clean up the edges a bit because it didn't work very well. But I'm going to add some like white splotches, and yeah, there's no other colours although that works. So I'm gonna add some more like white splotches, just kind of around the edges, just give it a bit more depth, because right now it just looks like I put a load of purple stuff on my face. So yay! I have no idea how long I've just been doing the one part, so I'm gonna do that and I'll be back when I do, and I'll show you what I did. Okay, I added some white along the edges and I kind of pressed my netting into my face a lot to get it to do its thing. I'm just gonna reapply some concealer around the areas where I had to wipe off quickly. just so this does not move while I'm doing anything else, I'm gonna set it with my spray thingy. Can I just say, like, we all know I've had very horrible body issues on this channel, like, most of my life. All of my life, why am I saying this? But, like, I'm legit wearing a fucking, just a bralette right now. So I thought it'd be like a mermaid top type thing, but like, look how confident I've become in myself. I feel comfortable wearing stuff like this now. All thanks to my lovely guy. Yes. Looks like we're going for a purple theme now. It just turned out that way. I'm going to colour my eyebrows, kind of like a purpley colour. I don't know if we have one. Oh, we have kind of like a lilac. This one called Sassy, or I think I'll use Glamorous actually. That looks quite nice. Where is my one that I use for my eyebrows? Use this one. Just because, just gonna play my video and do my eyebrows. Okay. This is Halloween, everybody. I hate myself. Let's move on to eyeshadow. I think I don't want to do purple. That's not even eyeshadow. I would like to do pink to like even it out, because otherwise I have way too much purple on my face. These ones down here, just this little row here, obviously lid, lid, crease, crease, and do that. So yeah, we're gonna take the white and put it in our corner. I'm also gonna take, where did I put it? This white eyeliner pencil from PS. It is from Primark, and I'm just gonna put that in my waterline just to make me a bit more. I don't. I just look like I've shoved a load of crap on my face, don't I? We'll see what it looks like when I'm done. I don't know. I changed my mind on the eyeliner. I'm gonna do like a kind of like tiny cat eye with the white one, just to, as I thought it'd look cool. Okay. This is what I've got for my eyes so far. I'm gonna put on my mascara now, and it's just gonna be plain black mascara. And I'm just gonna make my eyelashes look as big as I can, as big and bold as I can. It looks so weird. Okay, I'm gonna move on to lipstick. It's a I Love Revolution brand. Revolution does a lot of stuff lately. It does dragon makeup, mermaid makeup, unicorn makeup, Halloween makeup, and I only really just discovered it, and I'm really happy because I fucking love all these things. This is the mermaid one, and it is in the colour Mythical Tale, and if you look, it has mermaid scales on it. I have the dragon lipstick as well, and that has dragon scales on it, and it's so cool, and I love it. And then the Halloween one, the black one that I use for my vampire costume, that has a skull on it, and it's just, I think it's cool. Yeah, we're just gonna colour our lips with this. Now we are going to do the finishing touches. We are going to add our highlight, of course. You always have to have highlight. I love highlight. I'm very weird about highlight actually. And glitter! Because I have glitter and I feel like mermaids are glittery. Somehow. I don't know. I don't know what colour I want to use. I kind of want to use the turquoise, but I don't think it will match well with the purple, so I might use the blue. But let's not worry about that right now. So right now we have to do our highlight here, 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 and possibly just a little bit over our scales. Just to have fun with it. Have fun, people. Have fun. That's my new catchphrase for this Halloween. Have fun. I'm really tired. Very quickly. I didn't add any blush to this, did I? We have to hurry up because my battery's dying. So I'm just gonna quickly plop it on my finger and just kind of rub it out a bit.